I run a digital marketing agency, and as a brand, I regularly post on my different social media handles such as Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. But now, what if I say you that there is no human included in handling my social media, and the entire process of my social media post creation and posting is automated? Yes, you heard it right. I have created this amazing automation which automatically runs every day, creates social media content for my social media platforms using Gemini, which is a powerful AI tool, and automatically share it as a new post on my social media accounts such as Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Yes, and now here in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this amazing agent for your business too by using this amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So here to begin with the process, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an exclusive discount on a purchase of your Pabbly plan. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to signing in. You can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first, and you can see two methods. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So if you want, you can use this AI workflow builder, or you can select it as create from scratch. Here it is asking for the workflow name, so I'm going to give the name as build this free Gemini AI agent for social media automation. And for the folder, you can see the multiple folders that I have in this drop down. So I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can create and select it as per your requirement. And here if you want to use the classic workflow builder, then you can click on this hyperlink available over here. For now, we're going to use the beta version only. And now here, let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I want this automation to run every day at a specific time. So in that case, we need to schedule this automation, and for that we are going to use a feature of Pabbly that is scheduled by Pabbly. For the app event, we are going to select schedule workflow, and then here you can see we are now successfully connected. Here it is asking how often you want to run your workflows. You can see multiple options. First is at regular intervals, then once, every day, days of the week, or dates of the month. So I want to run this automation every day, so we're going to select that, and for the time I'm going to set the time as 10 a.m. Alright, let's move forward, and then we're going to click on this save. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So now here after scheduling the workflow, what I want is that I want to generate the post content using Gemini, which is a powerful AI tool. So for the post content, we are going to add action step over here, and here we're going to select the action application as Gemini. For the app event, we are going to select generate content, and then we're going to build a new connection. Here it is asking for the API key, so we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here, and you can see it has directed us to a Google AI Studio account. So I easily got directed because it was already logged into my account in the same browser. So from here you need to select get API key, and here under API keys you can see some existing key. For I'm going to copy the existing one. You can create a new API key by selecting this option. Alright, then we're going to add our API key, and then we're going to click on this save. You can see even now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Then here it is asking for the text. So basically in this text column, I need to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a proper post content for my social media platforms. So let me add that. Alright, so this is the relevant prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI. So now here I want the post idea should be of the AI and the content should also be generated by AI. So I have written the prompt as per that, and then for the models we are going to select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash and the methods as generate content. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the caption generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the caption, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a relatable image for the same. So again, we are going to use Gemini, and now for the app event, we are going to select generate and edit images. Then we are going to build this connection. This time to build this connection, we are going to select existing connection, and now we are going to move forward. For the model, I'm going to select the model as Nano Banana Pro because here I'm going to generate the image, and for the method we are going to select generate content. For the prompt, I'm going to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI. So this is the prompt, and here I've added some instructions for the AI and the detail as post content. So now here, instead of manually adding the post content, I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new post content generated by Gemini, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to map the content generated by AI. So this is the content generated by AI. Then these are some instructions. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the image generated by AI. So let's go and check it. And here you can see this is the image generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating the post content, we are going to share it as a new post on our different social media platforms. But here before posting, let me show you that the link that we have received for the file URL is a very long URL. And mostly social medias does not accept these long URLs for the automated posting. So in that case, we need to shorten this URL. And for that, we are going to use an amazing feature of Pabbly once again, which is File Uploader by Pabbly. Alright, we are going to select the app event as upload file and get URL, and then here it is asking for the file URL. So we're going to map the file URL received by AI, and for the file name we are going to give the name as new post.png. So here it is mandatory to add the extension as you can see over here in the instructions as well. Then we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the shortened URL for the same. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after shortening the URL, we are going to share it as a new post on our Instagram account first. So we're going to select it as Instagram for business and the app event as create and publish photo. Then we are going to build a new connection, and this time to build this connection, we are going to select our desired Facebook account because I have already connected my Facebook account with my Instagram account. So that's why I've selected the account, and now you can see we are now successfully connected. Here I've selected my Instagram account to use, and again for the photo URL we are going to map the shortened URL that we have received, and for the caption we are going to map the caption generated by AI. Then we are going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our Instagram account. Now let's move forward. Let's post it on our LinkedIn account as well. For the app event, we are going to select share text with image, and again we are going to build a new connection. Here you can see it is asking for the account credentials. We're going to click on the sign in, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here I've selected my author, and for the image file URL, again we are going to map the shortened file URL, and then we're going to map the caption. And then for the visibility, I'm going to select it as public, and then you're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our LinkedIn account as well. Let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. and you can see a new post has been created just now with the same caption and the image. Let's go and check our Instagram account as well. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new post has been shared over here with the same caption and the image. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after posting on our LinkedIn, let's post it on our Facebook page as well. So I'm going to select a different Facebook page, and here if you want, you can share this post on your more social media platforms as well. Alright, we are going to add a new connection once again, and we are going to select, and then we're going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So here I again got easily connected because here I was already logged into my account in the same browser. Then here it is asking me for the page, so I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics, so I've selected that. And for the photo URL, we are going to map the original URL over here because Facebook page accepts long URL. Then for the description, we are going to map the caption generated by AI, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. You can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new post on our Facebook page as well. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see a new post has been shared over here with the same caption and the image. So this is how easily I've created this amazing automation to automate my social media using this free Gemini AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So I've selected my trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and my action as Google AI Studio twice, file uploaded by Pabbly, Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook, so that every day at a specific time this automation should get triggered, and automatically Gemini should generate the post content for my social media platforms. After that, a relatable image for the same should be generated, and using file uploaded by Pabbly, the URL should get shortened. After getting the short URL, automatically it should be shared as a new post on my Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook account. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to build this free Gemini AI agent for social media automation. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code that is visible on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.